I'm gonna call this terminal 1, 2, and 3. That's all the main side. And then here's your breakers where you're gonna actually hook up my heater, my hot water heater, my microwave, and my outlets. So when you bring power in from your inverter charger, you want to put your ground on this one. You want to put your neutral onto, where is it? It's down in here. Where your hot goes on that third one. It's the third one down. I don't know if you can see 1, 2, 3. That's your hot one. And then your white goes onto here. So it's ground, neutral, hot. The hot goes on the third one because the black is the hot. So when you bring your power in and you attach it to the third one, it goes through here, out this one, and then it feeds power down this bar to all these other breakers. So anyway, and then if you have like my radiant floor heating, the hot wire will go on this side. The fourth one down, I will put my neutral here, and I'll put my ground here. The same thing for each other bar. Just kind of go hot, neutral, ground. But bringing the power in is where I was confused. So reiterate that. Your green, your ground goes there. Your neutral goes onto the neutral bus bar, I'm gonna call it. And then your hot actually comes in and attaches to the third nut down, which is connected to the same one. If yours is different, whichever one this big heavy black cable is connected to, that's where you bring your power in. And you don't want to use the little spade clip type. Try to use the kind that have the ring like so. Yeah, they look like that. Anyway, but they're a lot smaller. Anyway, you want to use those because they just don't slip out, and you don't want to be going down the road and something vibrate loose. Anyway, I'll show you where we're going to put this bad boy. All right. So my batteries are going to go right here, standing up. So I'm going to mount this sideways right there, because behind here, oh, you didn't even see it. It's going to be mounted sideways like this.